That's what it looks like. I am obsessed. So comfy, so soft. So I just got a package from Ultimate Sack. It's this huge bean bag. So we're gonna attempt to put it together. So let's see. So I just put it together. It was super easy, but I might have ordered a size too big, but it'll be good for when I eventually move out of here. So I'll show you now. So that's what it looks like. I am obsessed. So comfy, so soft. Link in bio, go check it out. So I'm just sitting here in my beanbag chair and I love it so much. It's literally so soft and so comfortable. And it says it takes like 2 to 3 days to fully expand, so it'll be getting bigger, which hopefully it'll still fit. But I'm obsessed, so thank you so much to Ultimate Sack for sending one to me. Go check them out, it'll be linked in my bio. So thank you for watching.